Welcome to the Click Portal, an overview. The Click Portal is supported by the Office of the Vice President for Research and Economic Development and Research Information Systems. Background. The Pre-Award and Compliance System is a multi-year collaborative project to implement the online Click Portal. The Click Portal has been implemented to assist principal investigators, students, compliance, and research administration staff with administering sponsored programs. UB led the implementation of the Click Portal, working in collaboration with our vendor partner Huron and the PACS leadership team. There are 5 separate modules within the Click Portal. These modules support a study from project development through the approval process. The Agreements module provides an electronic system for management of research-related contracts and agreements. It includes sponsored research agreements, material transfer agreements, clinical trial agreements, non-disclosure agreements, and other documents useful for reviews and negotiation. Training participants will learn how to create and submit an agreement and will receive an overview of the agreement's workflow. The COI module provides an electronic system for management of research-related conflict of interest disclosures. It ensures the prevention of bias and helps avoid a circumstance in which a researcher's personal interest or relationships might compromise the integrity of research at the university. Each faculty member is required to complete an annual financial disclosure form at the time of applying for funded research or prior to the release of grant funds, whichever occurs first. Annually thereafter, and within 30 days of discovering or acquiring a new significant financial interest. The Grants module is the new online system for developing your internal routing proposal for all sponsored funding submissions. It features the ability to submit an application directly to federal sponsors for most federal grant opportunities, otherwise known as system-to-system submission. Training participants will learn how to create a proposal and submit it for internal review and approval. The IACUC module provides a streamlined way for researchers to create and submit protocols for studies involving animal subjects. It provides support for initial submissions, amendments, inspections, and annual and triennial reviews. It also allows for the reporting of concerns regarding possible violations of ethical conduct that governs the use of animal subjects in scientific and educational activities. Training participants will learn how to create a study protocol and submit it to the Institutional Animal Care and Use Committee for review. The IRB module provides a streamlined way for researchers to create and submit protocols for studies involving human subjects. It provides support for initial submissions, modifications, reportable new information, and continuing reviews. Training participants will learn how to create a study protocol and submit it to the Institutional Review Board for review. The Safety module strengthens committee oversight processes for submissions involving biohazards, radiation, chemicals, and stem cell safety. Training participants will learn how to create and submit safety protocols and will learn to link protocols for studies involving multiple safety issues. Each module in the Click Portal is supported by training workshops run by the Research Information Systems staff. The objectives for the training workshops are to provide principal investigators, study staff, compliance and research administration staff an overview of an individual Click module. It allows the participants to practice with hands-on exercises and provides training materials and references that will provide assistance while using the Click portal. You can register for a training workshop by searching it out on the University of Buffalo website. Once you're at the website, go to the section of the site for Research and Economic Development, then click on Research Services, then Training and Development. A direct URL is also listed at the bottom of this page for your convenience. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the Click portal or training, please contact Marla Witkowski, the PACS Campus Training Program Coordinator, using the information below. Thank you for your attention today.